Hi students, welcome to your first exam. Just wanted to review. So I'm going to go ahead and talk through what you can expect, and then also I'll give you a sneak peek at the exam, but I will also be putting out an outline of key terms and concepts that you should focus on. So let's get to it. So this exam will be 120 minutes long that you'll have to complete the exam. You can use your book, your notes, any type of material that I've uploaded onto Canvas or anything that you think might assist you in answering the question. Also, you will have 40 multiple choice questions worth 1 point each, and you will have 2 short answer questions that will be worth 5 points each for a grand total of 50 points. So now I'm going to go ahead and I am going to review the questions with you. So this is just a quick glance, but you'll see that the questions are going to be focused on socialization. We're going to look at things like instruction, feedback, and reinforcement that was covered in Chapter 2. We're obviously going to ask you about the bioecological model, about micro and exo. We're going to look at the family relationships between families and schools. We're going to want you to give examples of chronosystems, and also we're going to talk a little bit about, different socialization factors. We're going to look at parenting. We're going to look at different types of things that we covered, but this is just a quick sneak peek at the exam. But what I wanted to really focus our time on is I wanted to let you know that I will be focusing on 2 short answer questions, which is explain Bronfenbrenner's model and give examples. And so the key there is to give examples. So I will ask you to identify the systems within Urie Bronfenbrenner's model. And then the second short answer question, I'm going to ask you to identify and explain the different parenting styles. So authoritative, authoritarian, permissive, uninvolved. Please go into detail on those. So I hope you've enjoyed this, and I will also put out a document that has some of this information and a little bit more information. We'll see you on Tuesday.